Your ultimate guide to moving to Red Deer, Alberta. Are you considering a move to Red Deer, Alberta? This vibrant city offers a variety of neighborhoods, rich amenities, and beautiful parks, making it an attractive option for families, professionals, and retirees alike. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the various neighborhoods in Red Deer, provide insights into local amenities, and discuss what makes each area unique. Whether you are looking for a bustling community or a quiet retreat, Red Deer has something for everyone. Neighborhoods in Red Deer. North Red Deer. Northlands. Northlands is a well-established neighborhood known for its spacious homes and family-friendly atmosphere. The area features a mix of single-family homes, townhouses, and some apartment buildings. Residents benefit from easy access to parks, schools, and recreational facilities. The nearby Northlands School and several other educational institutions make it a popular choice for families with children. Additionally, the community hosts numerous family-oriented events throughout the year, fostering a strong sense of belonging. Rosedale. Rosedale is characterized by its charming, tree-lined streets and diverse housing options, ranging from older homes to modern builds. This neighborhood is ideal for families and retirees, thanks to its peaceful environment and proximity to amenities. Residents enjoy access to parks, including Rosedale Park, which features playgrounds and sports facilities. The community is also located near shopping centers and dining options, providing convenience for everyday needs. South Red Deer. West Park. West Park is known for its historical homes, primarily built in the 1950s and 1970s. Its proximity to Red Deer Polytechnic makes it an attractive option for students and young professionals. The neighborhood offers a mix of detached homes and multi-family units, catering to a variety of living arrangements. West Park also features several parks, including West Park Natural Area, which provides walking trails and green spaces for outdoor activities. The community is vibrant, with local shops and cafes that contribute to its charm. Sunnybrook. Sunnybrook is one of Red Deer's most picturesque neighborhoods, known for its mature trees and beautiful parks. The area features a mix of older homes and newer constructions, making it appealing to a broad demographic. Residents benefit from excellent walking trails and access to amenities like grocery stores and restaurants. The neighborhood's central location ensures that residents are never far from major shopping areas and recreational facilities, including the nearby Sunnybrook Farm Museum, which offers family-friendly activities and events. Central Red Deer. Downtown Red Deer. The downtown area is the city's cultural and commercial hub. It features a mix of shopping, dining, and entertainment options, making it an ideal choice for those who prefer an urban lifestyle. Residents can enjoy local markets, art galleries, and theaters, all within walking distance. The downtown area is home to several parks, including City Hall Park, which hosts community events and festivals throughout the year. Living downtown provides residents with easy access to public transportation and major roadways, enhancing connectivity. Grandview. Grandview offers a blend of residential comfort and natural beauty. This neighborhood features a variety of housing styles, from bungalows to two-story homes. Grandview is known for its access to walking trails and parks, making it a great place for outdoor enthusiasts. The community is family-oriented, with schools and recreational facilities nearby. Grandview's proximity to the downtown area allows residents to enjoy the benefits of city living while maintaining a quieter home environment. Southeast Red Deer. Anders on the Lake. Anders on the Lake is a sought-after community that features large homes with lake access, making it ideal for families who enjoy outdoor activities. The neighborhood is designed with a focus on green spaces and recreational opportunities, including walking trails and parks. Families appreciate the nearby schools and community centers, which offer various programs and activities for children. The sense of community is strong, with regular events that bring residents together. Laredo. Laredo is one of Red Deer's newest neighborhoods, characterized by modern homes and a family-friendly environment. The area is designed with ample green spaces, parks, and walking trails, promoting an active lifestyle. Laredo features a mix of single-family homes and duplexes, appealing to both young families and retirees. The neighborhood is conveniently located near shopping centers, schools, and recreational facilities, providing residents with all the necessary amenities within close proximity. Southwest Red Deer. Westlake. Westlake is a popular neighborhood known for its single-family homes and proximity to beautiful parks. The area is characterized by newer developments and offers a family-oriented atmosphere. Residents enjoy access to Heritage Ranch, which features walking trails, picnic areas, and opportunities for outdoor activities such as horseback riding. Westlake is also close to shopping centers and schools, making it a convenient choice for families. Bower. Bower is an established neighborhood that boasts mature trees and a variety of housing options. The area is known for its beautiful landscaping and community-oriented atmosphere. Bower Mall, located nearby, provides shopping and dining options, ensuring residents have easy access to everyday necessities. The neighborhood features several parks and walking trails, encouraging outdoor activities and fostering a sense of community. Local amenities. Red Deer is a city that prioritizes the well-being and convenience of its residents, providing a wide array of amenities that enhance the quality of life. From education to recreational facilities, healthcare services, and shopping options, Red Deer caters to the diverse needs of its community. Here's a closer look at some of the key amenities available in the city. Education. Red Deer is committed to providing quality education, featuring several public and private schools that cater to various age groups and educational needs. The city is served by the Red Deer Public School District and the Red Deer Catholic Regional School District, both of which offer a range of programming to support student success. Elementary and secondary schools. Families can choose from numerous elementary and high schools that emphasize academic excellence, arts, and sports. These schools often have strong community ties and provide a variety of extracurricular activities, helping students develop both academically and socially. Red Deer Polytechnic. This post-secondary institution offers a wide range of programs, including certificate, diploma, and degree options. Red Deer Polytechnic is known for its strong focus on applied learning, providing students with practical skills that enhance their employability. The institution plays a vital role in the community by fostering partnerships with local industries and offering continuing education programs for adult learners. Specialized programs. In addition to standard curricula, many schools in Red Deer offer specialized programs such as French Immersion, International Baccalaureate, IB, and special education services. This variety allows families to select the educational path that best suits their children's needs. Parks and recreation. Red Deer takes pride in its green spaces and recreational facilities, making it an ideal city for outdoor enthusiasts and families looking to enjoy nature. Bower Ponds. This scenic park features walking trails, picnic areas, and a beautiful pond for kayaking and paddle boating. Bower Ponds is a popular spot for gatherings and community events, offering a picturesque setting for relaxation and recreation. Heritage Ranch. Located along the Red Deer River, Heritage Ranch is a unique park that offers a range of outdoor activities. Visitors can enjoy horseback riding, hiking, and biking along well-maintained trails. The ranch also features a restaurant and event space, making it a great destination for family outings and special occasions. Sports facilities. Red Deer is home to numerous sports facilities, including the Canada Games Recreation Centre, which features a swimming pool, ice rinks, and fitness areas. The city hosts various sports leagues and programs for all ages, encouraging active lifestyles and community engagement. Community events. Throughout the year, Red Deer hosts a variety of community events and festivals in its parks, such as the Red Deer Farmers Market and the annual Canada Day celebrations. These events foster community spirit and provide opportunities for residents to connect with one another. Healthcare. Access to quality healthcare is crucial for any community, and Red Deer is well equipped to meet the medical needs of its residents. Red Deer Regional Hospital. This major healthcare facility provides a wide range of services, including emergency care, surgery, maternity, and specialized treatments. The hospital is staffed by experienced healthcare professionals and offers advanced medical technology to ensure patients receive high-quality care. Clinics and specialty services. In addition to the regional hospital, Red Deer has several walk-in clinics, family health clinics, and specialty health services. Residents can easily access services such as dental care, physiotherapy, and mental health support. This variety ensures that individuals can find the healthcare resources they need within the city. Community health initiatives. The city promotes health and wellness through various community programs, including health education workshops and fitness classes. These initiatives encourage residents to lead healthy lifestyles and take proactive steps toward their well-being. Shopping and dining. Red Deer offers a vibrant shopping and dining scene, providing residents with a range of options to meet their needs. Bower Mall. As one of the primary shopping centers in Red Deer, Bower Mall features a variety of retail stores, including clothing, electronics, and home goods. The mall also hosts several dining options, from fast food to sit-down restaurants, catering to diverse tastes and preferences. South Point Common. This shopping center is home to major retailers, including Walmart, Home Depot, and various specialty shops. South Point Common is designed for convenience, making it easy for residents to access everyday essentials and services. Local eateries. Red Deer boasts a thriving culinary scene, with many local restaurants offering unique and diverse dining experiences. From cozy cafes to fine dining establishments, residents can enjoy a range of cuisines, including Canadian, Italian, Asian, and more. The city also hosts food festivals and events, celebrating local flavors and culinary talent. Farmers markets. For those who appreciate fresh, locally sourced produce, Red Deer hosts several farmers markets throughout the year. These markets provide residents with the opportunity to support local farmers and artisans while enjoying fresh fruits, vegetables, and handmade goods. Conclusion. Red Deer, Alberta, is a city that offers a unique blend of urban convenience and natural beauty. With its diverse neighborhoods, rich amenities, and strong sense of community, it is an excellent place to call home. Whether you are drawn to the bustling downtown area or the peaceful suburban neighborhoods, Red Deer has something for everyone. If you are considering a move to Red Deer or want to learn more about specific neighborhoods, feel free to reach out. We encourage you to explore our other videos for more insights into this wonderful city. Please leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content about moving and living in Red Deer.